A practical repair guide shows a homeowner replacing a worn kitchen sink pop-up stopper in minutes, with clear, calm narration. First, they gather a basin wrench, pliers, and a replacement stopper kit to ensure a precise fit. They lift the lift rod, detach the old stopper, and install the new one, testing alignment and seal at every step. The video highlights simple demos of measuring the rod length, adjusting the pivot rod, and confirming a splash-free drain. Viewers are invited to share faster methods and suggest tools for future fixes.